Hello guys, today we got Jack in the Box. We got a taco, we got 8 tacos, but I only got one. It looks like this.
What are the best ones, guys? Have a hot sauce? You don't have a hot sauce?
No. And I got jalapeno poppers. My dad has some, Nelly. The jalapeno poppers. If you haven't had jalapeno poppers, it's just a jalapeno dip with cream cheese. But this cream cheese is yellow, look. The jalapeno could give you heartburn later. So if you're sensitive to spicy stuff, I wouldn't suggest it, but they're real good and it's worth the eat. So it's like I live close to. I live like 15 minutes away from Jack in the Box. I went to Jack in the Box yesterday with my mom. There was like a mean lady. She wanted to order fast. She wanted to order, you know, you're supposed to know what you want. You're supposed to know what you want before you get there. I didn't know because I went with my mom and my niece. Not good. I have a cup of noodles. Shrimp flavor. I've been refilling this bottle up. But yesterday, we were supposed to go to the beach today, but my sister got a flat, 2 nails in one of her tires. And they had to get it fixed today, so tomorrow we're gonna go to the beach. Not today. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a like. That's how much ranch I like on mine. I had 7, I gave my sister 2 or 3 of them. I have to look back on the video because I don't know. And that's how much ranch I like. Almost done with my taco. That was my sister, by the way. She's making food.